In 1860, Birmingham was known as the city of 1,000 trades. A forest of chimneys.
It's this. This city produced the tools for the world's writers. By 1860, Birmingham manufactured three
silent highways of water. These canals were the city's arteries, transporting coal day and night. The Bullring Market. Here, merchants and locals gathered to trade goods away from the factories.
The Jewellery Quarter. Skilled artisans turning raw gold into masterpieces sought across the empire.
The hiss of steam engines. The relentless soundtrack of the city's industrial progress.
Back-to-back houses. Crowded courtyards that fostered a tight-knit spirit among the working class.
Steam trains connected Birmingham to the world, carrying raw materials in and finished goods out.
The Town Hall, a temple of architecture, standing dignified amidst the industrial smoke.
Public libraries. Quiet corners where citizens sought education and news of the wider world.
The button capital of the world, turning shells and metal into essential fasteners for everyone.
The Botanical Gardens. A green sanctuary, offering quiet reflection, away from the city smog.
The postman delivered the handwritten letters that connected families and businesses across the country.
Iron ran through the city's veins. The blacksmith's hammer shaped the empire's infrastructure. Local grocers weighed tea and spices, bringing the smells of the empire to daily life.
Victorian classrooms. Strict and disciplined, preparing the next generation for the city's growth.
The horse-drawn omnibus. Public transport allowing people to travel further for work and trade. Commerce required capital. These banks supported the explosive growth of international trade.
The Gun Quarter. World-renowned for engineering excellence and precision craftsmanship. Dusk. The lamplighter's pole brings a soft glow to guide workers home through the fog.
Drapers offered the fabrics, wool and cotton, that clothed the city's growing population.
Beneath the streets, canal tunnels formed a hidden network, keeping the industrial heart pumping.
Home was a refuge. Families found warmth and comfort around the simple coal fire.
Cobblestones bore the city's weight. The rhythm of footsteps and hooves never ceased. Heat and breath shaped the glass. Birmingham's makers were true masters of fire.
Amidst the factories, Gothic spires rose up, pointing towards a grey heaven.
Domestic life was a relentless cycle of hard labor, with no modern conveniences to help.
Mornings often began in a thick pea-souper fog, a mix of weather and pollution.
Fortunes were made here, creating a divide between the masters of industry and the workers.
With so much industry, fire was a constant threat, fought with steam and bravery. But for those who fell through the cracks, the city offered little pity or support.
From glass to guns, there was almost nothing this city could not manufacture.
Boatmen would leg their way through dark tunnels, guiding tons of cargo underground. Knowledge was power, and the city's libraries were temples of self-improvement.
Iron bridges crisscrossed the city, a testament to the engineering prowess of the age.
The day began early for the bakers, feeding a population that was growing explosively.
Iron bridges crisscrossed the city, a testament to the engineering prowess of the age. Textile work was delicate and demanding, often done in dim light for long hours.
Civic leaders pushed for progress, laying the foundations for a modern metropolis.
Sunday provided the only respite from the relentless noise of the machines.
Living conditions were harsh. Tightly packed back-to-back houses offered little sanitation.
Even amidst the iron and steel, artisans crafted toys for the children of the empire. The factories never really slept. The glow of gaslight meant production continued.
Healthcare was primitive. Snake oil salesmen promised cures that rarely worked.
Rain turned the soot and dust into a slick black mud that covered everything. Time was money. The clock ruled the lives of every man, woman, and child. This was Birmingham in 1860, a city of grime, grit, and greatness that built the modern world.